these are just little odd and end things that you might want. So this is a little Wonderbar, the small one, and you can use it as to pry out nails. You can slip the nail in here and then and pry it out, or this side, according to which way you need it. It's real handy, and it's just a Wonderboard. Also, we have the bigger ones too, but these are just some small things for it. And a lot of people just love these little mini mag lights. We have several sizes, but this is a small one, and it uses 2 AA, and then we also have some that uses AAA, and then it also comes with a little holder. But these are real good, and they have a good bright light that you can adjust, and this will be good in your toolbox. Also in here, you might need a little straight ruler, which these are little metal ones that it's $8.99. It's just a little 12-inch ruler, but it's real handy to have.